Now, Omono the Aba.
No, Omono the yes,
now, where's the MPP for?
Now, where's the MPP for? The way in MPP, you found MPP for.
That's what your intel is telling you.
Yes.
Second thing, very, very big confusion going on. Our NDC Musa say. Serious confusion going on. And I want you to pay attention to this tape I'm going to play to you.
You know, yeah, fear. Charlie, we've gone through all of this, and I don't want to go into things. If you don't know how to say thank you,
you keep quiet.
Let us have our peace. But if beyond that, anybody think that their business now say the year, Mr. They sponsor, and if they want to doubt our organized nature of managing the party, they should look at where we have come from.
It was for Masempa. Mustapha Gbande, Deputy Operations, our presidency, is angry and he can no longer hold his peace. There is a major conflict going on in the NDC. And because of some major conflict, I also NDC mono. And we are told, say, there is really, really bad blood between John Mahama and Joseph Yamin, AyE national organizer of the NDC. Now, aside from bad blood, no, that is a reason fake in some room B and all those things. We saw him with gun and all those. And go be brave shock say if I said your mama be president, papa we are portfolio bia. We are hearing now say there are some rich men Sikefobi that are angry with Joseph Yamin, and because of that they have don't appoint this guy. Don't appoint him. We don't like him. Don't appoint him. So now his friend right now, this whole fight once again is around Galamsey. People feel that only a section of people in the NDC are now having access to the forest reserves and co to do the Galamsey, and some of them cannot go and do the Galamsey. Ghana, let's pray hard. Ghana, we have to pray hard that in 2028, when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wins, by 7 January 2029, we should still have some vegetation cover in this country. Those places that they have gold, we have to pray. Because the way our friends in the NDC, Omaya aggressively doing Galamsey, fighting themselves over Galamsey, killing themselves over Galamsey. And this is just about 7 months in power. So you can imagine 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. We are in trouble, people. We are in serious trouble. And we have to pray to our God. Maybe He will hear us to touch the heart of these people. Otherwise, they will destroy this nation beyond repairs.
Some of our people on social media to attack me. I will deal with their bosses. We have to stop it. We are in power. We have a lot to do. It has to stop. Because of love of party. The dog party, AyE party, no. Hey, how can a tenant dictate to a landlord?
It will not happen.
Yamin is not a bitter person, but I'm just saying that nobody should develop the appetite to try to damage his reputation.
That you will not allow.
We will fight back. It doesn't matter what it takes. We've done too much. We've sacrificed and given out too much. It will be an act of unpardonable ingratitude. You see, Yeswano, we've watched some movies. na soldier fu ya omukokuma America omukuwie no they were supposed to be moved out of the battlefield.
Yes.
And the state abandoned them. And they managed to get home. They became terrorists and took over. It was a Nigerian movie.
Yes.
Gentle Jack Moniz Adeno. When you misuse your army, it has repercussions. And we are not people who are not deep in understanding of how these things work. At least we only love our party and will defend the party any day, any time with our lives. It is not about those who are rich. It is not about those who are rich and claim to be powerful, but it is about the person at the grassroots, the village person who loves the party, who is vulnerable. Somebody must defend that person, and that is why we are involved. They shouldn't press a button of destruction. We should not. The next time this happens, we'll take it a step further. Yamin is not engaged in mining. Yamin is not aiding illegal mining. If he wants to mine, the Minister of Land is his colleague. He will go to him. A national organizer is better leveraged to go through a process and get a concession and go and mine. And nothing can stop him. But where the man is minding his business, and that you decide to take a fight to his doorsteps to go and try and attack his image, the people who did the statement have been calling the number till today. Doesn't go. It's a deactivated number.
Listening carefully to this place.
Number na say statement na say. Ofra enko.
Dabi.
Hey. Na dey hwan mo no.
We will go to the bottom of the issues.
And you believe say something orchestrated internally to tarnish his image as you.
We will get
as you made that.
I've indicated that this is not MPP.
It is internal.
Yes. You know, when they want to destroy you, they orchestrate something and give to their friends at the other side.
Now, omono di aba.
No, omono di yes.
Now, where's the MPP for?
Now, where's the MPP for? The way in MPP, you found MPP for.
That's what your intel is telling you.
Yes.
You cannot remove them before that. Ubanya plenty issues in court. So are we saying, sir, we should hold on until that July next year to change all of them before we go and vote for presidential?
Party unity there. Me, I support it.
Oh, don't you think, sir, by that time MPP will not be in existence again? Per what we have now.
What I'm saying is that the young old people, nipa be brave.